Hey guys, what's going on? It's Jeff with MarketWiz, and we're going to do a live demo today of how this AI responder works basically. So we're going to do a different example as well. We're going to be a car dealership and do a live demo here. So you could see that I asked if the car was still available here, and let's see what happens, and then we could go through live like a live example here. Okay, you could see the person's typing down there. So the AI is generating a response, it looks like. Okay, here we go. And you could see this is like literally the only working marketplace messenger that a marketing company actually has. So, okay. Hey, yes, the SL63 AMG is still available. It's a fantastic car, low miles, in great condition, and packed with features. Are you interested in scheduling a time to check it out, or do you have any specific questions about it? Okay. Yes. How many miles does it have? And you could see if we jump out of here, we've got the number one ad in the whole city of Hampstead, NC, which is like Topsail Beach, North Carolina. And again, this is AI, by the way. This is running in the background. It's pretty wild. So we've got this system is like we're pretty excited about this to have businesses use this as part of our ad system. So we basically got the top ad and we've got the top message responder in the city. Okay, let's go back into this one. So now, we're back in here. We're messaging here. So let's see what we said. For sure. The car has only 63,000 miles and comes with the AMG Performance. I don't know why this says 63 and this says 56. Oh, I know why. Because I took the data from the website link and that's different, and then I put in 56. So what I did here, why the mileage is different, is because I used the car dealership website link for the mileage, but then I put in manually myself into it 56, but that wouldn't happen normally. So that's no issue. Comes with the AMG Performance package, a hard top and Bose sound system. So, it gives you the mileage. Okay. It tells them, do you want to set up a time in person? And again, this is like automated. You don't do anything. There's nobody like even behind the scenes with this messaging going on. This is 100% AI, 100% automation, by the way. While you're sleeping, this thing's booking appointments for your car dealership. Let's ask another question. Are you a private seller or do you work for a car dealership? And then you could see that the AI is responding, which is, look at how fast this is. I mean, this is like 10 seconds. What's really cool is you'll always close more sales and more leads because you're literally like, you're responding quicker, you're faster. So in this business, speed is everything. So you're getting to the customer faster, you're answering their questions faster, so they're more ready just to come and tour the car basically. It's not like it's basically, sometimes people could be busy at work. Let's say you're selling a car. you're busy. Well, it took you 10 hours to respond to the customer. They already went to your competitor car dealership and bought something, right? So this is, you could be out doing stuff, you could be sleeping, you could be selling cars, and this is booking more appointments while you're selling cars or sleeping, depending on what time it is. Some people want to ask questions at 11 p.m. Who knows? I work for this Karma Auto Group example. We're a dealership, and we've got this awesome SL63 MG here. We're looking to buy from a dealership or a private seller. It doesn't really matter, honestly. As long as I get a good deal. Okay. Let's see what it comes up with. And this autoresponder works for any business. So you could be a car dealership, real estate business. You could be a furniture store, mattress store. You could sell appliances. So basically, oh, and what's cool here is you could rate now. So definitely got to rate a 5-star here. 5 stars. Okay. Let's go back. And here we are. I totally get that. We're confident that we can offer you a great deal on this 63 SLG. Would you like to chat about the price or maybe schedule what's the price? Because the price that I just put randomly is 42, but it's going to give a different price here because it's going to pull from the website info that I used for the prompt engineering. So that's going to be like 22,900 with what the price is. But for an example, I just put in like this 42,500, but this is just like an example, but normally there wouldn't be any problem with that. But I'm assuming it's going to say it's like the price is insert price. Okay, well, yeah, we'd have to put the price in there. Okay. I'm interested. So that's just saying that when we do the prompt, I did it as a demo, but we would just put the price in there clearly. I'm interested in, and what's pretty cool is you could have like 50 cars, right? And just copy and paste all the models and prices and like info, and then the AI would know, depending on which car it is, what the price is. Okay, I'm interested in viewing the car. How do I go about this? Like this AI prompt is just so stripped down and basic, and it's still better than most salespeople. If let's say you're a business and you want to sign up, it would be very thorough. We test it, make sure it's ready to go before it goes live, obviously. And we could have it go live in about 48 hours. It would be good to start. And another cool thing about this is it handles multiple message threads. So it would be talking to like different people. You would wake up and there'd be like 100 messages sent, and every 15 different customers would all be set, ready to come in pretty much. So it handles all of your leads, like all of your leads, Tuesday at 11 a.m. Where are you located? And what's your phone number? Let's see if I put that in the prompt. I don't know if I did. Let's see. See how it does. And what's pretty cool is you can even take this a step further by creating a link. Like let's say you've got a booking link. This thing will literally just book links for you automatically, and then it's in your calendar. You get email notifications, text, whatever. So I didn't put the address in, and I didn't put the phone number into this demo prompt. So clearly that's like the first thing we would do, obviously. Now let's ask it a weird question and see how it responds. Okay. Sounds good. Let's try to think something weird to say. Do I have to? Do you mind if I steal the car? When we do a test drive? Or do I have to actually pay for this car? Yeah, I know it's a funny one, but let's just see what it says. Because you know people are gonna like throw you strange questions. Not gonna be this strange, obviously, but let's see what it says when I ask it if I can steal the car. And if you notice, it's got like a nice timer built into this where it's like very natural. There's like a timer where it's not instant messages basically going back and forth, which is really cool. So let's see what goes on here. Now, part of the prompt is that we already booked the appointment, so it might actually stopped this whole sequence here. So I don't know if I'm expecting to get a prompt back on this one or it's too crazy, but either way, job is done and it responds to your marketplace messages for you automatically. One other cool thing is how this works is it works in the cloud off a server. So it's going to like get your info. So we get your Facebook login info. We log in on our server, and then the server is going to read the response, and then it sends it to OpenAI, and then it sends it back, and then it sends it to the customer, and that's how it basically works. It's directly connected to, you know, OpenAI, a key, API key basically. So that's if, you know, for you technical people, if you wanted to know kind of like how it works and how it's even possible to run it in the cloud like this without installing anything on your computer. So we don't have to install anything. We don't have to access your computer for this to work. Like how I've got set up now is how it's running. So it's not on my computer at all. Which is pretty crazy that we could do it. That's also how our ad posting system works, is in the cloud. So you could have like your whole instance of a car dealership. You could have your whole ad stuff going with your cars, like all of your cars. Let's say you're selling 100 cars. We could put them on, post them all on the account, and then all auto respond as well. So all ads done by AI, all ads responded to by AI now. So that's why we're called MarketWiz.ai, because we use it. We've been using basic forms of AI for the last couple of years to do this, but now it's getting more advanced, obviously. So that's pretty exciting stuff. And this is just another example. It's also a live example of it. So now you could see it's working, like how it works live. And if you guys have any questions or want to get signed up, go to MarketWiz.ai. You could check out our, different advertising packages. And if you have a question or a comment, drop it in the comments below. Talk soon.